Yeah, dear students, welcome to the mechanical drawing class. So in this video, you will learn how to make the front view and top view and sectional views of a connecting rod. Connecting rod is used to connect the piston of a cylinder, okay, and crankshaft. So you have to make front view and top view and sectional view AA. What is sectional view? So when I cut the connecting rod here and view from this side, how it look like, you have to make that sectional view. And also sectional view BB and section view CC. So use revolved section concept. So what is the revolved section concept? So you know, right? So revolved section concept means like this one. So imagine you cut the product here, okay? So for example, and make the section here itself, okay? Section, only make the cross section of the product, how it look like when you cut here, how it look like when you cut here. So use the revolved section concept, okay? So first, let us make the front view, okay? Front view. So when I see this drawing from the front, so it look like, so we will have a two circles here, two circle, and we will have this one, and we have this one, and here this one, and so remaining there are some holes. So we have to use hidden lines, okay? So for making these holes, and also use breakout section, okay? Breakout section to represent this hole. So that hole is not clear, so use the breakout section. So like means this one. So imagine you break, like this one is like a glass, and break with this glass with a hammer, then that break is irregular, right? So represent the sectional view like this one, okay? Yeah. So let us make the front view first. Okay. Start. So open the standard layout. Okay, here I already created different layers for different drawings and make the hatch layer. I didn't make here. So hatch layer. So continuous line use, and the color is, you can set the color. So purple color. Okay, any color of your choice. And default means very small thickness, okay? So first thing I am doing is the circle, okay? So here I provided dimensions in this here, okay? So we do not have dimensions in the 3D view, okay, here. So when you draw this one in exam, make sure that, we will only know this one, okay? Not this one, okay? So first to make circle, okay, use the default main layer, okay, main layer, and make circle, center and radius option. So what is the radius of the circle? Okay, 135. So starting from 0, 0 center point and 135 circle. Okay, what is that circle? That circle is this one, okay, 135 radius. And this circle diameter is 225, and this circle diameter is radius is 100, okay? So diameter is 200. So, okay. So make another circle. So center point is this one. So radius is 100. And one more circle. So radius is, so diameter is circle with diameter. So diameter is 225. 225. Okay. So now after making these circles, so I will make a line. So make a line. Okay, just use the front view. So yeah, make this line. Okay, this line. So starting from here. Okay, and also same here. So end and here. So first to make central lines. Okay, central line of this one. So the dimension from here to here is given in the sketch. Okay, that one is 220. So I think so 220. So make central line layer is active and make a line. Okay, so line. So 220 starting. And what is the length of that line? 58. 58. So one more line. So 650 minus 120, make here one more line. So 650 minus 120 is 630, 530. So make line, center line, 530. Sorry. So 530, 0. And the length of that line is 32. So that is given in the, okay. So that is given in the problem, okay. So make main layer. So connect these 2 points, okay. Connect these 2 points, okay. So you can use mirror. So we will do mirror later. Okay, now, yeah. So make this line, okay. I finished making this. So make this line. So that line is the starting length, I don't know, okay, starting length. So maybe the same length here, okay. So but the gap is given in the problem. So the gap is 20 between these two lines. We can use offset tool, right? So you can use offset. So select, okay, select object, enter and offset. So offset distance is 20. Okay, select objects 20. So but you see, so this line is not touching this center line, and this line is exceeding. Okay, use trim to trim this line, and use extend to extend this line up to the center line. Okay, so you can extend this side and you can trim this side. Okay, so because this one is inclined line, when you offset, okay, the dimensions are different. Okay, some little bit projection this side and a little bit lag of line this side. So now you can use, okay, I am turning off the grid. So now we can use mirror. Okay, select these two objects. Okay, enter. And after that mirror line. So this one is a mirror line. Okay, enter. So now arc. Okay, centers, start, end. So center is this one, and start is this one, and end is this one. And one more arc, same tool. So center is this one, and start is this one, and end is this one. So you should, when we use center, start, and that you have to select in the counterclockwise direction, right? So counterclockwise direction. So this one is counter. First you have to select this one, counterclockwise direction. Okay. So second you have to select. So now I am done with this one, right? So now what I have to do, I have to do this. Yeah, I have to do this one. So what I use, yeah. Okay, I have to do this arc and arc. So one arc, and you can use mirror, that one later, and also use this. Okay, and yeah, what is the diameter of this circle 62.5 radius. So diameter is 125. Okay. So in center is 650 from the origin. So circle with diameter 650 and the origin 650 comma 0 is the center. And the diameter of that circle is 125, radius is 62.5. So those dimensions are given, okay. And one more circle. So diameter 60. Okay. And we make the center line. Okay, center line. So you can connect, okay. So you can extend the center line in the horizontal direction. So same here, you can extend. I don't know whether it is extended clearly. Okay, 90 degrees. So you can also extend this one and both direction. So you can extend. So one more center line you can draw here. Okay. So for making this side and making this circle, so what we have to use, circle tan radius option. Okay. So what is the radius of this circle? Radius of the circle is 300 and radius of the circle is 150. Okay. Radius of the arc. Okay. Circle or arc. So circle with tan radius option. Okay. So first either you have this one or this one. Okay. So this line and this circle. So radius is 300. Okay. Now we are in center line mode. Okay. Mainly this should be main layer. And you can trim. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And one more circle, same tan radius. So this circle, both are tangents to what we are making. Okay, radius 150. Okay, 150. Is it 150 or 300? So yeah, radius 150 radius and trim. Okay, yes. So now, so you can use mirror. Okay, or you can use tan radius circle and mirror. Okay, the mirror line is this one. This one only. You can zoom. So whether you are seeing that one correctly or not. Okay, trim. So we don't need this one, right? Trim. So trim and trim. Okay. So the front view is almost finished. And now what I have to make? I have to make so this line. Okay. Other side also we have to make this one, and I have to make keyhole here. Okay, keyhole and the hidden lines here. Okay, so because we have holes, but I don't make those holes because we are making sectional views, right? Sectional views means so we don't need to make those holes. Okay. Okay, unless you do not have any information regarding the tools, you have to make hidden lines. Okay, so now make this line, right? Make this line. So that line is 25 and 50. Okay, yeah. Make center line first. So this center line. So from here, dimension is given 25. Okay. And the length is given 50. Total length is 100. Okay. So make center line. So center line. So select center line layer. And center line starts from 300. Diameter is 300. Diameter of the whole circle is 300 and 150. I think this is wrong. So 0, 150. Okay, 0, 150. And the length of this line is 50. So you can extend the later, that line you can extend later. Okay. So, but now what I do is, so make main layer. So one line start from this up to here. Okay. And another line. So from here, the length is given in the problem 25. And the width of that 50. 50, 100, you can make 100, okay, another 50, or you can make this one. So starting from here, 100, okay, up to here. Okay, now you can extend this center line. Okay. So now other side also same, you can mirror. So select all this. So enter, mirror. Okay, so I think you're not selected. Enter, and the mirror line is so middle of. Okay. So now we have to trim this one because that is, so I made this one. Okay. So now what I left is I left with this one. So I'm using broken section, right? Broken section. So then we have to make the middle. Okay. So this. So what is that one here? Yeah. When you cut. So, but I am not cutting entire thing. I'm cutting here only. Okay, here only. So then you will see when I see from the front. So you will see this one as a complete solid line, right? So like this one. So this one is countersunk key. Okay. So yeah, 60 degrees angle and 25 length. Okay, from here to here, 25 length. Okay, and yeah, this is 10. Okay, 10. Okay. So make that hole. So draw line. Okay. So from here, 5. So we can do that later. 60 degrees line. 25. 25. Okay, you can extend this one. So this length is 25. Okay, from the center line, you can extend that line to here. So extend, select object. Okay, up to there. And you can mirror this. Okay, after making the 60 degrees line, I will mirror. Okay, at an angle 60, right? So tab, use 60, and up to, okay. So actually I enter, you can trim that one, right? Or you can select the end point, okay? So 60 degrees, I mean, both the ways 60 degrees, okay. Half of the angle is 30 degrees, sorry. Okay, tab 30, okay, tab. So the angle is fixed now up to, okay, I'm not getting that point, okay. Anyway, you can trim that 30, trim. So now, so use mirror. So mirror line is this one. Okay. So now broken section we have to create, right? So because I am doing this line, right? Broken section. So here in AutoCAD we will have some sketch, okay, but here there is no sketch. So use sketch, okay. So sketch tool. So type of the sketch, okay. So polyline or spline, okay. I select polyline, okay. You can also select spline. Spline means in the form of smooth curve, okay. So broken line is not smooth curve, right? And also you can select the increment, right? Increment 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, no, right now. So yeah, so starting, okay. So you can end, enter. So now we have to trim this portion. So yeah, when we select right sketch mode, it will create 1 millimeter line, 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter line, 1 millimeter line, like that one. That's why I cannot trim entire thing. Only the small portion I can trim. Okay. So projection above the 1 millimeter, and now you can remaining things you can select. Okay. Okay, and also so one other sketch. Another sketch. Here now you see these, you cannot select, okay, these things because these are one by one line, okay. Wait. So a mirror. So mirror. Okay. I did not mirror. So mirror, select option, enter. So now, yeah, we will also see line here. Okay, when we make, we will also see line. This line also visible, so you can see clearly. Okay, this line. Okay, line. So now hatch. Select hatch tool. Okay. So hatch. Hatch layer and hatch tool. So pick internal points. Okay. Okay. So enter. So you should be careful, right? Suppose here, if this line, this one, if this line is not touching this boundary of the circle, why my computer become like this? Okay, suppose if this line is not touching this boundary, so your hatch will be maybe more than, okay, should be very careful. And also Yeah, this side also. And if this line is not touching this boundary, or if this line, so that one is a sectional view and front view. And yeah, you can make the dimensions, okay, shown in the figure. Okay, so you can make. So I am not making because it take time. Okay, so you can make yourself, and when you send the picture, make the dimension and send. Okay, so this one is a front view. Okay,